40 questions to test your English. Can you handle it? Alright, first question. Find the closest synonym of market. Answer C. Bizarre. Which is a synonym of dense? Answer A. Thick. What does pass the buck mean? Answer D. Blame others. What does go off the boil mean? Answer A. Lose energy. Choose the antonym of natural. Answer C. Artificial. What is the antonym of certain? Answer A. Doubtful. Choose the antonym of eclectic. Answer B. Homogeneous. Choose the correct plural of wharf. Answer C. Wharves. What is the plural form of melody? Answer A. Melodies. Choose the correct plural of supply. Answer C. Supplies. Which option correctly fills the gap? Answer D. Are you familiar with these procedures? Fill in the blank with the correct option. Answer B. I'm really impressed by your presentation. Can you guess the missing word? Answer D. The medicine may affect your concentration. What is the past form of stink? Answer A. Stank. Choose the past tense of sting. Answer B. Stung. What is the past form of shrive? Answer C. Shriven. Choose the correct spelling. Answer B. Explosion. Pick the correct spelling. Answer D. Motivation. Identify the correct spelling. Answer A. Accident. Which is a synonym of opposite? Answer C. Contrary. Pick a synonym of prove. Answer A. Demonstrate. Choose a synonym of skill. Answer D. Ability. What does the ball is in your court mean? Answer B. Your turn. What does leave someone high and dry mean? Answer C. Abandon. What does not bat an eyelid mean? Answer D. Not react. Choose the antonym of add. Answer B. Subtract. Opposite of spurn. Answer C. Accept. Choose the correct plural of hoof. Answer B. Hooves. What is the plural form of splash? Answer D. Splashes. Choose the correct plural of scenery. Answer A. Scenery. Fill the gap. Answer B. He ended up making the wrong decision. Can you guess the missing word? Answer D. The complexity of the plan required detailed attention. Fill the gap. Answer A. He laid the book on the shelf carefully. Choose the past form of retell. Answer C. Retold. What's the past tense of gainsay? Answer A. Gainsayed. Choose the past form of beat. Answer B. Beat. Final stretch. 4 to go. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Dependable. Pick the correct spelling. Answer C. Grotesque. Identify the correct spelling. Answer A. Academically. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Disconnect. Congratulations! You made it! How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe.